Did you know that your air conditioning is responsible for the spread of germs, bacteria, and viruses in the air environment of your home, office, or store? These microbes are responsible for many infections, allergies, and bad odors that develop in the air conditioning canals. Presenting the AirO2 Air Sanitizer. It can purify your whole home air by destroying bacteria and airborne viruses and even odors like trash, moisture, or pet's odor. The AirO2 technology contains ClO2 that is used for decontaminating drinking water, vegetables, and fruits, and also disinfection of surfaces and medical equipment. The little particles of ClO2 also travel with the flow of the air conditioning in your home, office, or shop cleaning, and sanitizing your surrounding air. It not only purifies your surrounding air, but also destroys all bad organisms living in the surrounding air. Safe for family and pets, without any use of energy, noise, or odors, because breathing healthier is not a luxury. Sanitize your air now with AirO2 Air Sanitizer.